Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. It really tough to create videos on VGGFace2 model, but I am trying this model since 1.5 years ago. I have created few videos on VGGFace2 model, but the videos were very creative. We have seen long back ago on VGGFace2 model that face recognition. We have seen face verification, and we have seen face recognition using VGGFace2 and MTCNN face recognition, and we have seen two videos on face recognition using VGGFace2 model. This VGGFace2 model is typically based on TensorFlow and Keras. If the TensorFlow and Keras version doesn't match, this model doesn't work. You have to think a lot of on these dependencies, and this part are really critical for VGGFace2 model, not in other models. Today's video is really creative and interesting. It is all about face matching using VGGFace2 model. I will show you the code of the program. This is all about Keras and this thing. Matplotlib is there. This for face match and this thing. Now I will execute the program. I will go to initial part of the program. This is my face. Sanjay1 is the name of image file. Sorry, Sanjay, and this is an image file of mine only. His name is Sanjay1 and Shahrukh Khan SRK1. Now we will execute the program with different parameters. First of all, I will take both images of mine, Sanjay and Sanjay1. See what happens. Yes, it is showing face match. It is showing face match less than 0.5. Now instead of Sanjay JPG, I will get srk1 dot jpg. Let's see what happens. Yes, face is not match, the is the greater than 0.5. So I successfully done with face match using VGGFace2 model. We have seen long few days ago of face matching using VGGFace2 model, but that part is little bit different and this part is little bit different. Some changes are there. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on VGGFace2 model, TensorFlow, then MTCNN and FaceNet and this thing. So please subscribe my channel so I can get more motivate to do videos on machine learning using Python. So latest update about machine learning, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.